The hiring landscape is undergoing a significant transformation. Gone are the days when high academic marks alone could secure a job offer. Employers are increasingly looking beyond grades, questioning what truly matters when evaluating potential candidates. This shift raises an important question: what do companies actually value in their hiring decisions? As traditional measures like degrees and marks lose their dominance, understanding the real criteria for employment becomes essential. Recent industry trends reveal a significant shift in employer preferences, with practical skills and individual strengths now taking precedence over traditional educational qualifications and work experience. According to a 2024 survey by Hudson Talent Solutions, 57% of recruiters prioritize a candidate's abilities and competencies when making hiring decisions. This move towards skills-based hiring reflects a growing recognition that academic marks alone do not guarantee job performance. Companies are increasingly seeking candidates who can demonstrate real-world problem-solving and adaptability, aligning their recruitment strategies with the demands of a rapidly changing workplace. Skills-based hiring has a significant impact on workforce diversity by opening doors for candidates who may not possess traditional academic credentials. Removing degree requirements can help include groups that are often underrepresented, such as Black and Hispanic job seekers, who are disproportionately excluded by these criteria. Technology, particularly AI-powered tools like those developed by Naukri Inc. and HireVue, plays a crucial role in this shift. These platforms assess candidates' competencies in a more objective manner, aiming to minimize unconscious bias during the selection process. As companies increasingly adopt these technologies, the hiring landscape becomes more inclusive and focused on real-world abilities rather than formal qualifications. In today's job market, practical skills and competencies are becoming the primary focus for employers. Research shows that most recruiters now prioritize a candidate's strengths and abilities over academic achievements or formal qualifications. This shift is also helping to create more diverse workplaces by reducing barriers for those without traditional degrees. Companies are increasingly using technology, such as AI-driven assessments, to objectively evaluate candidates' skills. For job seekers, developing relevant, hands-on expertise is essential for standing out and succeeding in the modern hiring landscape.